What is up guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing and an overview of the Coolman streamer. At that time nabili ko siya for only 1,300 pesos. So bago tayo magsimula, intro muna tayo. Okay guys, so on the top side we have a 3.0 USB and two 2.0 USB ports, headphone and mic jack, reset and power button, and also we have the magnetic dust filter. On the other side we have an embossed panel that is secured by two thumb screws. When you open it you will see a lot of holes for your cables to run to and a decent amount of space for proper cable management. On the front we have a plastic cover with a glossy finish, two RGB strips, and the Coolman logo on the lower left corner. The tempered glass is held by 4 thumb screws. Note lang, masyadong higpitan yung thumb screw kasi posibleng mag-crack yung salamin or babasag ng tuluyan. If you can buy na lang nung mga rubber na washer sa hardware or gumawa kayo ng sarili nyo, gumupit kayo ng isang rubber dyan like the interior ng bike nyo, gupitin nyo at gawin yung washer para hindi direct contact yung screw do sa glass kasi possible talaga masira yan. Marami na ako nakitang ganyan. And also the glass itself is a smoky black or gray color. The cables inside is a Molex connector for the RGB lighting, the 3.0 and 2.0 USB plug, LEDs, and also the power and reset connectors.
Well, what if you don't? What if you fly?
The case did not come with any fan and a drive base, so what I just did is screw the hard drive vertically on the front. I don't know if that should be the place for the hard drive because it's blocking the airflow from the fan. And as you can see, there's only one place for you to screw in a SSD drive that is in front of the power supply. So in conclusion, I was surprised on how good looking this case is. For just below 1,500 pesos, you get a tempered glass, RGB lighting on the front, and a good amount of space. The only downside is there's no fan included, no drive bay, though there is one, but I don't think that is the real place to mount your hard drive because it's gonna block the airflow for the fan on the front. And you only get one SSD mount, so if you want to add more, you have to zip tie it on the back or use a velcro so that you can remove it anytime you want. Well, that is it guys, thank you very much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and a comment and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Peace.